Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC using X360ce. This powerful emulator allows you to enjoy your favorite PC games with the comfort and familiarity of your PlayStation controller. We'll go over the simple steps to get everything set up, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. Get ready to transform your PC gaming with seamless controller integration and personalized settings. Let's dive in and get your controller working perfectly. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly understand what X360ce is and why it's so useful. Essentially, X360ce acts as an emulator. Tricking your PC into thinking your PS4 controller is an Xbox 360 controller. This is incredibly helpful because many PC games are designed with Xbox 360 controllers in mind, offering much wider compatibility. Plus, you gain the flexibility to customize your button layouts and fine-tune your controller's response, giving you a truly personalized gaming experience. Now, let's get your controller connected. First, you'll need to download the appropriate X360ce version, either 32-bit or 64-bit, matching your game's architecture. Crucially, place the X360ce executable directly into the same folder as your game's main executable file. Next, launch X360ce, which will prompt you to create essential DLL files. From there, you can easily configure your PS4 controller, map your buttons, and save your settings. Finally, launch your game and enjoy playing with your PS4 controller. Sometimes, you might encounter a few hiccups, but don't worry, we have solutions. Always double-check that your PS4 controller is securely connected, whether through a USB cable or Bluetooth. A common issue is using the wrong X360ce version. Ensure it matches your game's 32-bit or 64-bit architecture. Also, be mindful of any other controller software or drivers that might conflict. If problems persist, try searching for community-made X360ce profiles for your specific game, or even experiment with slightly older versions of the emulator. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.